Boeing CEO Dave Calhoun speaking at a conference this morning, trying to reassure shareholders after a number of deadly crashes and a number of production missteps.
I'm confident on the liquidity front. Cash flow is getting better every quarter. Brian described this as sort of a turning point year, and it is. And I also believe that. I can't measure it week by week or month by month or even quarter by quarter, but I know the year is going to be substantially better.
Stock in the red today as investors seem to not buy what Calhoun was trying to sell. Boeing shares in free fall this past year, down almost 45%. Tim, what's your status with the stock?
My status is I'm long Boeing. I'm long it probably somewhere around the 250 level, so well underwater. It's a company that I think will re-emerge into a cash flow machine, except for it's not tomorrow. And in fact, they're having to fend off. Actually, there will be no equity raise concerns from the market. And then the dynamic that they're falling well behind Airbus in terms of a narrow body jetliner. And that was the other commentary. They made it clear that there's probably nothing coming in the next year and a half. The whole catalyst here has been the airline industry getting back on its feet, essentially the MAX 37 and China, and getting back on board and getting some of those orders filled. I think that's enough for this story to take back above. And again, if you look at the charts, I think up to 175, this stock still is in a downtrend. And I think we need to break through that. Yeah, they have gotten nothing. The stock has gotten nothing from the idea that the economy is reopening, airplanes are filling up, and people are demanding to travel, Courtney.
Yeah, which fascinates me, right? Because we're seeing really positive news coming out of the airlines, and this demand towards travel is exceedingly improving despite the fact that inflation's kicking in. And arguably, that's one of the biggest risks for these airlines is the fact that their fuel costs are increasing. So they're very much going to need to increase their fleet with more efficient airlines, and that can very well help Boeing, because ultimately you have to choose from Boeing and Airbus. So yes, I think short term there's still some negativity, but I'm with Tim on this. I think this is maybe a longer term play, but I think it's going to catch up to it.
Guy, what's your take?
Well, it's interesting. I mean, commercial airlines, I think everybody associates Boeing with commercial air. I get it. It's only a third of their revenue. They don't get any credit whatsoever for their aerospace defense and their services business, which is the other 65% of the company. That's on Boeing, by the way. They've done a really miserable job of trying to sort of illustrate that and tell that story to the street, or maybe the street's just not listening. I don't know. I hear what Courtney and Tim are saying, but I don't see any compelling reason whatsoever to get involved in Boeing. They've had every opportunity, and every time it goes down, it's a Boeing-specific thing. So I'm inclined to sort of wait this one out.
Yeah, Pete, how about you?
Yeah, I'm matched up with Guy on this one. It's not a supply. It is a supply issue. It's not a demand issue. And they have the demand. They've just got to be able to get it out there. They've not been able to execute on that side of things. They did say they don't need to raise capital. That's great. They're starting to see cash flow. That's great. But, Mel, the reality is they've got to get things out, and the demand is there for it. But they're just unable to do that. And until they can, I think you got to wait on the sidelines, because I think people will still be very frustrated and be waiting for the company to really show that they can be that company that they once were, because they certainly haven't looked like the old Boeing over the last year and a half or 2 years.